Do you have a vehicle? Do you ever drink beverages? Have you ever wished that the cup that you're drinking your beverage out of matched the same color of your vehicle? If so, we may have the perfect thing for you. Gabe and I have been playing around with these tumblers, and we noticed a bunch of comments saying, man, you guys should do OEM matched tumblers, because there's a lot of people out there that would love to have a high quality tumbler that has the exact same paint as their vehicle. So, two awesome things to tell you. First, we're going to be doing 4 custom painted OEM matched tumblers today, and I have 4 beautiful colors that Gabe made. Second, we are now going to offer custom painted OEM matched tumblers directly at DipYourCar.com. What do you think of that?
That's pretty sweet.
Now, they're not going to be for everybody. I know that. But if you're one of those people out there who is excited by this and wants it, we got you. So we'll cover a little bit more of that later. First, let's talk about our project. The 4 OEM colors that Gabe mixed up for today's video. Honda Royal Blue Pearl. BMW's Isle of Man Green. Very popular. Nissan's Midnight Purple 2, and a Ferrari red that I'm not going to pronounce. These should be 4 pretty badass tumblers. So, we've got some work to do. Are you ready to go?
I'm ready.
Okay, well, if you're ready, I'm ready. Let's go. All right, guys, we're all done with the project, and I'm gonna show you what all 4 of these custom OEM painted tumblers look like. Please leave a comment below and let me know which one is your favorite. And yes, we are now offering custom OEM painted tumblers directly at DipYourCar.com. Here's how to find them. Go on to DipYourCar.com. It's just like if you're going to be looking for OEM paint. You can find it directly on the website or in the navigation. You can search by your color code or by year, make, and model. And when you get to that OEM paint page, the tumbler is now a variant alongside gallons, quarts, aerosols. When you click that tumbler and you make that purchase, we are going to custom paint a tumbler in your color for you. They're not going to be for everybody. They're not going to be super cheap. We're going to take these tumblers and we're going to prep, mask, and custom paint them with genuine OEM color matched paint and clear coat, and then let them dry and ship them out to you. So again, not for everybody, but super cool if it's something that you're interested in. And like always, if you want to try any of our paints or play with any of our colors, head straight to DipYourCar.com. Gabe and I absolutely loved this project. I hope you enjoy it too. I'll see you on the next one.